Your entry door is one of the first things people notice about your home. It sets the tone for your entire exterior and plays a major role in how your property is perceived. For homeowners in Kendall, where vibrant neighborhoods and well-kept homes stand out, upgrading to a new entry door is one of the simplest and most effective ways to enhance curb appeal. A new entry door instantly refreshes your home's appearance. Over time, doors can become worn, faded, or outdated, which can make even a well-maintained home look less inviting. Replacing an older door with a modern design gives your entryway a clean, updated look that immediately catches the eye. It's a small change that can make a big visual impact. Color is one of the most powerful elements in boosting curb appeal. A new door gives you the opportunity to choose a color that complements your home's exterior while adding personality. Bold shades like deep blue, red, or even a sleek black can create a striking focal point, while neutral tones offer a more classic and refined appearance. In Kendall, where sunlight is abundant, choosing a UV-resistant finish helps maintain that fresh, vibrant look over time. Design also plays a key role in enhancing your home's exterior. Entry doors are available in a wide range of styles, from traditional paneled designs to modern, minimalist options. You can choose details like decorative glass inserts, side lights, or transoms to add character and allow natural light into your entryway. These features not only improve aesthetics but also make your home feel more welcoming from the outside. Material selection is another important factor. Fiberglass and steel doors are popular choices for Kendall homeowners because they combine durability with style. Fiberglass doors can mimic the look of real wood without the maintenance, while steel doors offer a sleek appearance and added strength. Both options resist wear from heat, humidity, and everyday use, ensuring your door continues to look great for years. A new entry door also improves the overall symmetry and balance of your home's facade. When properly sized and installed, it aligns perfectly with your entryway, creating clean lines and a polished finish. This attention to detail enhances the architectural integrity of your home and contributes to a more cohesive exterior design. Lighting and hardware further elevate the look of your entry door. Upgrading handles, locks, and finishes can add a touch of sophistication. Coordinating these elements with your door's style creates a unified appearance that feels intentional and well-designed. In Kendall neighborhoods, these small details can make a noticeable difference in how your home stands out. Beyond appearance, a new entry door also signals that your home is well-maintained. Potential buyers and visitors often associate updated features with overall quality and care. Even if you're not planning to sell, improving curb appeal can increase your home's value and make it more enjoyable to come home to every day. Energy efficiency is another benefit that supports both comfort and appearance. Modern entry doors are designed with insulated cores and tight seals that help regulate indoor temperatures. In Kendall's warm climate, this means keeping cool air inside while reducing the strain on your cooling system. A door that performs well also helps prevent issues like warping or fading, preserving its appearance over time. Security is an added advantage. New entry doors come with advanced locking systems and stronger materials, providing peace of mind while maintaining a stylish look. A secure, well-built door enhances both safety and confidence in your home. Professional installation is essential to achieving the best results. A properly installed door ensures a perfect fit, smooth operation, and a clean finish. This not only improves performance but also enhances the overall appearance of your entryway. Ultimately, a new entry door is more than just an upgrade, it's a transformation. For homeowners in Kendall, it offers a way to boost curb appeal, improve functionality, and create a welcoming first impression. If you're looking to refresh your home's exterior, investing in a new entry door is a simple yet powerful step. With the right design, material, and installation, you can create an entryway that stands out and adds lasting value to your home.